I'm John Sanders, CEO and founder of HydroKleen. 10 years ago, a couple of talented HVAC guys and a couple of smart engineers and myself and my wife put our heads together and invented what is now known as the HydroKleen wet wash system. What this new idea achieved was an ability to clean a wall split air conditioner on the wall back to as new without touching refrigerant lines or having to disconnect main power. The actual cleaning time only took about 10 to 15 minutes compared to the old-fashioned strip and clean, which had to be carried out by a qualified air conditioning technician, which could take up to 4 hours or more. For the consumer, this was a revelation because it was very cost-effective and very time-efficient for them to now have their air conditioners cleaned, allowing people to breathe healthy air again, reducing the usage of power across all energy grids by sometimes up to 30%, and allowing longevity of our customers' assets by keeping their air conditioners properly cleaned. All great positive reasons for what we do. We are now being copied, and very badly I might add, by many people around the world, which I suppose is quite flattering in one way, but sadly the consumer is getting the raw end of the deal because the equipment these people use to emulate HydroKleen is just so substandard. Equipment that was never designed to clean air conditioners. HydroKleen actually developed its own equipment and so designed and manufactured its own HydroKleen machine. We developed specifically designed catchment bags, and we also created our own cleaning agents. 3 key ingredients in the success of what we do better than anybody else. By 2015, we were receiving so much inquiry from people around the world that we decided to offer our system as a complete business model with a license to approve people who were competent to use and grow the HydroKleen system in their location. In just 4 years, HydroKleen has branded into nearly 40 countries globally, with many more on the horizon. We are extremely humbled by the number of entrepreneurial people around the world that see so much potential in what we are doing for the environment. By 2030, there will be an estimated 5 billion ductless systems in use globally. All of these air conditioners becoming dirty from the day they get switched on. HydroKleen are the world leaders in the development of wet washing ductless systems. If this is an industry that interests you or your company, then we are happy to help you become the most successful in your location by joining our globally successful HydroKleen group. So thank you for listening. I'm John Sanders.